Okay, so this is what bitwise right shift andre. So here you can take example, a greater than 2 means nothing but what, nothing but 2 bits you have to shift on right side. Okay, 2 bits you have to shift on right side. So this one done with the 8-bit representation. You take example a is equal to 4. So take example a is equal to 4. So this 4 is a decimal value. That one you have to convert into the binary value. So after converting into the binary value, the answer is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. Now you apply the condition. So what is the condition? A greater than 2. Okay. So 2 bits you have to shift on right side. So here I written the logic how to shift on right side. Okay, so first 2 bits illida nodri, this is the first bit, right? This is the first right bit and this is the second right bit. Okay, first right bit, second right bit, you have to shift it on right side. So if you shift it on right side, then these first 2 bits comes on last side of your 8-bit representation. Okay, so even shift ಮಾಡಿದ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. So ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್? This one will come this side. Okay, this 0 will come here, this 0 will come here, this 0 will come here, and this 0 will come here, and this 0 will come here, and these 2 zeros. Okay, these last 2 zeros are the first 2 right bits. First 2 right bits are these 2 last bit zeros. Okay, so now what is the answer? 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay, this one you can convert. Okay, again, so already I said answer na ನಾವು decimal convert ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕ್ರಿ. Again we have to convert into the decimal. 2 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 2, 2 to the power of 3, 2 to the power of 4, 2 to the power of 5, 2 to the power of 6, 2 to the power of 7. So 2 to the power of 0, 1, 1 into 1, 1. So remaining here all zeros are there. So not required to calculate it once again. So obviously the answer will come zeros. 0 plus 0 plus 0. So what is the answer? 1. So this 1 is what? This 1 is not a binary number. This 1 is a decimal number. Okay, this 1 is what? This 1 is a decimal number. So a greater than 2 implies our result is equal to what? 1. Okay, so this is what? This is the bitwise right shift, and last one is the bitwise left shift. So here we have to mention how many bits we have to perform left shift. Okay, here we have to mention what? We have to mention how many bits we have to move. We have to perform left shift. So for example, you can take here a less than 2. Here also done with 8-bit representation. Same value you can take. A is equal to 4. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. So you apply 2 left shift. Andre left side irodu. So these 2 bits are the left side bits. Okay, these 2 bits are the left side bits. Okay, you left the bit idin bid ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? This 0 will come here, and this 0 will come here, and this 0 will come here, and this one come here, and this 0 come in this position, and this 0 will come in this position. These 2 zeros are left shift. Okay, now you apply. So this is the answer for left shift. 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. So 2 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 2, 2 to the power of 3, 2 to the power of 4, 2 to the power of 5, 2 to the power of 6, 2 to the power of 7. So 2 to the power of 0, 1 into 0, 0, 2 into 1, 2 into 0, 0. ಯಾರು ನಿತ್ಯ ಬೇಕರ್ ರೈಸ್ಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್?
ಸಾರಿ ಸರ್, ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂತು.
ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ?
ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂತು ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ 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 ರೈಟ್. 2 to the power of 0. So 8 into 0, 0. 2 to the power of 16. 16 into 1, 16, 2 to the power of 5, 32, 32 into 0, 0, then 2 to the power of 6, 64, 64 into 0, then 2 to the power of 7. So 128, 128 into 0, 0, 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 16 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. So answer is what? Answer is the 16. That is a less than 2 is equal to 16. Okay, this is all about the bitwise operator. So next one is logical operator. So logical operators are three types of logical operators. So here also we represent logical operators by using the symbol and. Don't get confused. Okay, don't get confused. So here bitwise operator we are using only single and. Okay, bitwise operator we are using what? We are using only single and. Single and. What is logical and? Bitwise are single
one
vertical line. Okay, but logical are double vertical. ನೆನಪಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ, ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಬರ್ತಾರ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಬರಬೇಡ ಅನ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್. Okay, three types of logical operators. Logical and. This is the logical or. And in the bitwise not, we used what? We used the tilde symbol. Tilde. But here we are using negation symbol. Negation, logical not. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಸೇಮ್ ರೀ. Logical operator is also same as bitwise operator. Logical operator ಸಹ bitwise operator ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ, but difference ಏನಂದ್ರೆ in between logical operator and bitwise operator. So in the bitwise operator, so decimal value we need to convert into the binary value, and again binary value we need to convert into the decimal. But in the logical operator, it is not required to convert into binary. That is the very important. It is not required to convert into the binary. So here it will consider integer values. Not required to convert into the binary. Directly you apply the integer value to get the result. Okay, directly you apply the integer value to get the result. So here I written one example. You can take example a is equal to 5. Okay, this is the formula you apply if number is non-zero. Okay, if number is non-zero, then it will return result 1. Okay, if number is 0, then it will return 0. Okay, so if it is a non-zero ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ? Non-zero ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ರಿ, 0 ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬರೋ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಗಳು 1 2 3 4 10 20 60 5 8. These all are called the non-zero values. So non-zero ಇದ್ರೆ 1 ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡು, 0 ಇದ್ರೆ 0 ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. So you note this one. Non-zero return 1, 0 return 0. So truth table is same. Okay, you apply the truth table same. Whatever the same truth table you applied in bitwise operator. So same truth table follow ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. bitwise operator ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿರಂತ truth table ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಸೇಮ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಸೇಮ್ ಇದನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತೈತೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್. So first example, first one we will check logical and. So you take example a is equal to 5, b is equal to 4. So you apply a and b. So 5 and b and 4. 5 and 4. So 5 is a non-zero value or zero value? 5 is a non-zero value or zero value?
Non-zero value.
It will return 1. So here that's why I return 1. For non-zero value, zero value, I return 1. So you perform operation 1 and 1. So 1 1 ಏನೈತ್ರಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರೂತ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೈತ್ರಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್? ಟ್ರೂತ್ 1. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ?
Yes, sir.
So That's why result, what is the result you got? A and B is equal to 1. A and B is equal to 1. So this is logical. Logical XOR. Logical R em bardre. So truth table. So only 0, only both conditions are false, then only it will return 0. In other case, it will return 1. So same you apply. A is equal to 5. So here you take B is equal to 0. So A is equal to 5 is a non-zero value. Okay. And B is equal to 0. It is a 0 value. So if it is a non-zero value, it will return 1. If it is a 0 value, it will return 0. Okay, so you check 1, 0. You apply the R operation. 1 or B is equal to 1. 1, 0, it will return 1. So logical NOT is very simple. So A is equal to logical NOT andre reverse. 5 idra negation ulta madakre minus 5. A is equal to 5. Negation A is equal to negation. So 5 is a non-zero value. So if it is a non-zero value, what it will return? It will return 1. Okay, negation A is equal to, so 1.
0.
1 reverse answer 0. Okay. This is all about what? This is all about how to convert, how to apply the logical operation. So 3 types of logical operators: and, or, not. Logical or, logical and, logical not. But in practical, we use this logical operator. Yen use ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ್ರಿ logical operators practical ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ್ರಿ? ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ್ರಿ? अर्पिता, चेतन, आकाश, अनुषा, नित्या, प्रियंका. In practical, we use this logical operator in conditional statement. In conditional statement with a compound condition. In practical, we use this logical operator in conditional statements with compound condition. With the compound condition. So there are 2 types of condition. So here first, what do you mean by compound condition? Compound condition andre enre atwa simple condition andre eno? Compound condition andre there are 2 types of condition. One is a simple condition and another is a compound condition. Okay, so quadratic equation program bardirtane ನೀವು. Everyone written quadratic equation program? Yes or no?
No.
Everyone written quadratic equation program?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
No, sir.
Okay. So quadratic equation alli one condition ಬರಿತೇವೆ ನಾವು. ನೋಡ್ರಿ condition if statement, if condition ಬರಿತೇವೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. If A is equal to 0 or B is equal to 0 or C is equal to 0. A is equal to 0 or B is equal to 0 or C is equal to 0. Andre ಏನ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ A is equal to B is a one simple condition. Is equal to 0 is another simple condition. C is equal to 0 is another simple condition. Means if we are having more than 2 simple conditions, okay, if we are having more than 2 simple conditions, then it is called what? Then it is called a compound condition. Okay, while writing the compound condition, we must and should use what? We must and should use the logical operators. While writing compound condition, we must and should use logical
Logical
operator.
operators.
ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ a is equal to 0 is a simple condition. So if we are using more than two simple condition, okay, if we are using more than two simple condition, a is equal to 0 or, so this r is what, this r symbol, okay, here are you seeing this r symbol? This r symbol is a logical operator. So when you are using logical operator, you are using logical operator when you are having more than two simple conditions. In that situation, you are using what? You are using the logical operator. Otherwise, you are not using logical operators. Okay. So what is the difference between simple condition and compound condition? So any expression which is having relational operators. So already we have discussed relational operators. Okay, less than, greater than, double, equal, negation, not equal, negation, equal, greater than, equal, less than, equal. These are what? These are the relational operators. So relational operator we are using to compare the two variables. So a greater than b or a less than b or a is equal to b. So only one condition, that is the simple condition. Only one condition, that is simple condition. A greater than b is what? It is a only one simple condition. Okay, that one simple condition is called what? Relational operator. But compound condition, more than two simple conditions. If you are using more than two simple conditions, then they are using what? You are using the logical operator. Okay, next one is assignment operator. So assignment operators. So assignment operator is used to assign the value. Very simple example operator. This is a very simple operator. Assignment operator, which is used to assign a value to the variable. So in the above example, you assign the value to the variable or not? In the above example, have you assigned the value to the variable or not?
Yes, sir.
You have assigned the value. So here I written one simple example, a is equal to 5. Okay, so this is how to represent assignment. Is equal to symbol you are using. Is equal to indicate what? Is equal to indicate you are assigning the value. You are assigning the value to the variable. Okay, you are assigning the value to the variable. So sum of assignment operators are plus is equal to, minus is equal to, star is equal to, division is equal to, okay, and percentage is equal to, percentage is equal to, less than is equal to, greater than is equal to, and is equal to, cap is equal to, okay, then r is equal to. So here this is one example. Okay, you take this is an example. Plus is equal to na ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ represent ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನಾವು? a plus is equal to b, then a minus is equal to b, a star is equal to b, a division is equal to b, a percentage is equal to b, a less than is equal to 2, a greater than is equal to 2, a and is equal to b, a cap is equal to b, a r is equal to b. So ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬರಿತೇವೆ ನಾವು. So a plus is equal to b. What is the meaning of a plus is equal to b? What is the meaning of a plus b is equal to b? It is equivalent to what? It is equivalent to a is equal to a plus b. A minus equal to b is equivalent to a is equal to a minus b. A star is equal to b is equivalent to a is equal to a star b, like everything. So a plus is equal to b. Here I written one condition meaning. Okay, you note down this meaning. I written one condition meaning. So like every condition you have to write. Okay, like every condition you have to write. So here I written one condition meaning. A plus is equal to b. So what is the meaning of a plus is equal to b? Is equal to a is equal to a plus b. So meaning is what? apply the operator. Okay, you apply the operator in between A and B. So you apply the operator plus operator in between this A and this B. Okay, you apply this plus operator in between this A and this B and store the value or store the result in left hand side. Okay, this is the left hand side variable. Left hand side operand ಅಂತಂದ್ರಿ ಅಥವಾ left hand side variable ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. Okay, like every assignment operators you have to write. A conditional operator. So last one is what? Last one is a conditional operator.
It is easy to check the conditional. Condition may be simple.
So conditional operator in ಹೇಳ್ರಿ.
It is used to case.
It is very simple. Conditional. The name itself saying to check the condition. Okay. Conditional operator is what? To check the condition. So condition may be simple condition or compound condition. Okay. Result may be true or false. This is very simple. Very, very important to check the condition. So condition may be simple or condition may be compound. So result return true or false. You understood? Understood or not? Understood or not? Everyone please reply.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Check the condition. Condition may be simple. So simple condition. Here I written this is the simple condition. Any expression which is having a relational operator, that is a simple condition. So example, A greater than B, A less than B, A is equal to B. So what is the compound condition? More than two simple condition. A greater than B or A greater than C. That is the compound condition. So condition may be simple condition or compound condition. So simple condition you are using to check the relational operator, and compound condition you are using to check the both relational and logical operator. Result is what? True or false. If it is a true, it will return. So you please change this one. This is not a 0. Here I return 0. Here also I return 0. Okay. ಕಾಣಾಗತ್ರೆ? ಹಲೋ, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಟ್ರೂಗೆ 0 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ, ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ಗೆ 0 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ, ಬಟ್ ಟ್ರೂಗೆ 1 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಾಳ್ರಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆದ್ರೆ
ಫಾಲ್ಸಿಗೆ 0 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು.
ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ಗೆ 0 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ 0. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ a 0, it is a 1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
The 1 is a 0. Okay, conditional operator is denoted as, okay, conditional operator is denoted as quotient symbol comma. Okay, quotient symbol comma, single, okay, double quote, quotient symbol double quote. So conditional operator question mark comma. So here syntax ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಯಾರು
ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಪ್ಪ, ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಪ್ಪ.
ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಯಾರು ಕುಂದ್ರಿಸಿರಿ ಪಕ್ಕಕ್ಕೆ? So syntax. So this syntax is very important. You note on this syntax. Condition question mark. Okay, so first this question mark you have to write here, question mark, true block statement, this double quote comma, this double quote, then false block statement, true block statement, false block statement. So condition question mark, true block statement, double quote, false block statement. So means nothing but what? Only one block statement will be executed. If condition is true, it will execute the true block statement. Else, if condition is false, it will execute the false block statement. Okay. So this is one example to find the largest number among two values. To find the largest number among two values. You take example a is equal to 5, equal to 3. So you write apply the condition. So what is the syntax? So condition, here you write the condition a greater than b, and you write the question mark. Here you write the question mark, and here you write the true block statement. Printf a is a big, then you write the comma, false block statement you write. Printf b is big, a is big, b is big. Okay, this is all about operators. You understood little bit what is operators?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
read it once again. So I not explain everything. I explained only important concept. Okay,
Yes, sir.
it was very difficult to explain everything. Only important concept.
Yes, sir.
For more information, so you refer module. Okay. For more information, you refer printed notes as well as I will give. Do you want notes or the notes ಬೇಕಾ ಬೇಡ್ರಿ ಸಾಕ್ರಿ
ಬೇಕು ಸರ್.
ಮಾಡಿದ್ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ ಬಟ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿಗೆ ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ್ರಿ ಇವು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರ್ತದ ನಾನು
Yes, sir.
ನಿಮ್
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ದ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಓದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಬಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಹಾಕಿರಿ ಓದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಪಾಸ್ ಹಾಕಿರಿ ಬಟ್ ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಕೊಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ
ಹಾ
ಹಾ ಡಿಟೇಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋದ್ರಿ ಬಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಏನು
ಹ್ಞೂ ಸರ್.
ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಆ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ
ಹ್ಞೂ ಸರ್.
Okay, next class we start model 3. Remember, we start model 3
3.
because model 2 already I covered. Condition values are covered. Okay, also I covered, and conditional looping also I have covered. If statement, if else statement, else if statement. Okay, while condition, for condition, do while condition, and also I have solved one problem regarding quadratic equation. So module 2 already completed. So module 3 next. So I will tell you what are the concept you have to read in the module 3 before attending online class. Everyone must and should read the concept. Without reading
Yes,
the
sir.
concept, it is very difficult to understand through online class.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
Is it okay?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
Yes, sir.
So I will WhatsApp you.
ಗ್ರಾಮರ್ ಸರ್ ತಳ್ಳೇರ.
What are the concept you have to read? Okay. Shall I conclude?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ಯಾಕಂತಂದ್ರಿ ಬೇಜಾರಾತ್ರೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್
ಇಲ್ಲ 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 ಸರ್.
Yes, sir.
ಸರ್ 2.5 ತಾಸು ಆತ್ ಸರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ನೀವು ಈಗ.
ಸರ್ 2.5 ತಾಸು ಸರ್ ತಗೊಂಡು
ನಿದ್ದೆ ಬಂದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸರ್.
ಅಲ್ರಿ ನಾನು ನೀರು ಕುಡ್ದಲ್ಲ ಏನು
ಸರ್ ನಾವು ಟಿಫನ್
ಸರ್ ನಾವು ಇನ್ನು ಟಿಫನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್
ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ಅದಕ್ಕ ರೋಜಾನ ಇದಾವ್ ಸರ್.
ಸರ್ ಹೇಳೇನ್ರಿ ನಾನು 12 ಗಂಟೆ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತ ಸರ್ ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಊರಿಗೆ
ಸರ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ 1.5 ತಾಸು ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಸರ್
ಹೇಳ್ರಿ
ಅವ್ರು 1.5 ತಾಸು ತಗೊಂತ ಸರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ.
ಸಾಕ್ರೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಂದ್ರೆ
ಹಾ ಸರ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಸರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್.
ಓಕೆ 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 ಗುಡ್ ಬೈ
ಬಾಯ್ ಸರ್.
ಬಾಯ್
ಬಾಯ್ ಸರ್.
ಸರ್ ಗುಡ್ ಬೈ
ಗುಡ್ ಬೈ